So for starting off, I'm going to be taking the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot as my eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be applying the color all over my eyelid area with the help of a pad brush from Kili. And now for the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using this Beauty Glazed Sunset Dusk 15 color eyeshadow palette, which is super affordable and the eyeshadow colors are so pigmented. Please check out the description box if you wanna know about the direct purchase link. I've put all the detail down below. And I'm going to be taking the first color, this one, and I'm going to be using this as my transition color, and with the help of the Real Technique blending brush, which is in the number 203, I'm going to be blending the color all over my eyelid area. And if you are wondering that which color is this, then this is the color in the shade Pumpkin. And then I'm going to be taking the color Cinnamon, and I'm going to be blending the color right underneath the transition color with the help of the Sigma Blending E25 brush. Then I'm going to be taking the color Mocha, and I'm going to be blending the color right underneath the previous shade that I've applied with the help of a Manji brush, which is in the number 5234, and I'll be going back and forth circular motion just to give a depth to my eyelid as I'm doing a cut crease here. So yeah. I'm going to be cutting my crease with the help of the LA Girl Pro YOLO corrector. You know the drill, how to cut your crease, and I'm using the brush Manji 5234 brush, which is a concealer brush, and I will try to give a cut to my crease with the help of this brush. Then I'm going to be taking the color Mermaid, which is a very shimmery base color. First I go like a very normally with the help of the Sigma E55 eye shading brush, but then I wet my brush and then I apply the eyeshadow color and just see how pigmented is this. This is kind of like a holographic kind of a shade, which I absolutely love. So stunning and so shimmery. And then I'm going to be taking the color Ash, and I'm going to be applying this on the very outer section of my lid area towards the inner section. And then I'm going to be taking off the Scotch tape or shadow shield, whatever you say. And then I'm going to be lining my eyelid with the help of this Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner. It actually takes me a while to do this, so you better use any gel eyeliner or liquid eyeliner. That would be perfect. And I'm going to be cleaning my eyeliner, that is totally optional, with the help of the same concealer that I've used on my eyelid. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Mocha again, and I'm going to be applying this on the lower lash line area, and I'm going to be giving a smoky kind of look on my eyelid area. I'm going to be taking the color Ash again, and with the help of the Sigma E15 flat definer brush, I'm going to be smoking my lower lash a little bit more. I'm going to be taking the Jacqueline Kajal. I'm going to be tight lining my lower lash line, and for the mascara I'm going to be taking this Rude mascara, voluminous mascara, which is so good. And for the lashes, I'm going to be using these lashes, which are so voluminous. Check out the description box if you want to buy them. So super affordable but super voluminous, and that's how my eye look like once I do everything. And with that, I'll be completing my eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you do so, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back in my next video. Till then, please take care. I love you all so much. Bye bye.